Hi guys, this is a NASCAR haul video. So let's get this started. First car, I'm going to do this Chase number 9 for Chasing Jimmy fan. New sweet 9 car for you, Chase. Let me open it, and you guys will see the car. Right, the car was fine. It's fine. There's It's P9. Then here is the sticker. Just the sticker. That first card done. I'm going to do the NASCAR haul, okay? Because I feel like it. I will join the next race. Guys, next sticker in. Air Jones, point sticker. Next one, the restart. Next one, the chase out. And here is the car. I never had this car out. I never have that one. Next car, man. Next car that I'm dancing out. It's tied down in the ground. And here's the tied down car. Next car. Next picture, Dan Hammond. Next car. Without any more. It's Dan Hammond and the fastest car. Next car. Toyotas. John got no sticker. And there's the car. Wait, it's alright, Eddie. It's okay. I never see this car out. It's fun. That car was fun. 2 more cars, guys. 2 more cars. Then I'm done. Next one. Austin Simmons 2 car. Did not have that. Boo. Did not have it. Whoa. Wow. That was cool. NASCAR. Oh, my bad, guys. NASCAR. Martians. Oh. I thought, what? Oh. I got 7 brand new cars. One is out. And they're. Oh, I got 2 now. Pitch genius. So, peace out, guys. Wait until race 12 race season. Peace out. The playoffs race.